Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if you can turn on vibrant visuals in Minecraft Bedrock on Nintendo Switch. So let's get straight into it. Part 1. What are vibrant visuals? Vibrant visuals is a new graphics setting in Minecraft Bedrock. It adds better lighting, reflection shadows, and makes the game look more colorful and alive. It's like shaders but official. Part 2. Can you use it on Switch? Now, here's the sad part. You can't use vibrant visuals on the original Nintendo Switch. It's not supported. The hardware just isn't strong enough to handle the new effects. Mojang didn't include Switch in the list of supported devices. Part 3. What devices can use it? You can turn it on if you play on Windows PC, Xbox One, Series, XS, PlayStation 4 and 5, Android or iOS. Just go to Settings, then Video, then Graphics Mode, and select Vibrant Visuals. Some worlds also let you toggle it under Experiments. Some fans think the Nintendo Switch 2 might support vibrant visuals, but that's just a rumor for now. No officials yet. So for now, if you're on the original Switch, sorry, no vibrant visuals, but if you have got a supported device, go try it out. It looks amazing. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.